everybody. PILAR Music Academy is proud to present Sound of Angels, an evening of Motets. We, the Saint and Parish Choir from Agonda, are truly honored to be a part of this sacred and spiritually uplifting event. We will be performing the beautiful motet Konsha Sunditsa Patur. We cordially invite you for this graceful and prayerful evening of choral music on 2nd March 2026 at Ravindra Bhavan Margaon at 7:30 p.m. The entry for the event is free. Come, be part of an evening filled with harmony, devotion, and the beauty of sacred music. See you there.